Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial where I'll show you exactly how to add a YouTube video to your Wix website. Whether you're building a portfolio, sharing your latest vlog, or showcasing a product demo, embedding a YouTube video can make your site more engaging and dynamic. By the end of this video, you'll know how to seamlessly integrate any YouTube video into your Wix site, and you'll be able to update it whenever you need. Let's get right into it. First off, head over to your Wix website design dashboard. That's the hub where you can control everything about how your site looks and feels. If you're already logged in, great. If not, take a second to sign in so you're ready to make changes. Once you're inside the design editor, let your eyes wander up to the top right corner. You'll notice a little search bar tucked up there. This is your shortcut for quickly finding any feature or tool so you don't have to scroll endlessly through menus. Go ahead and click on that search bar. Now type in the word YouTube and press enter. This is going to filter out all the options and show you the specific features related to YouTube videos. You should see YouTube Single Player pop up in the results. It's the option designed for embedding a single YouTube video right onto your Wix page. Click on YouTube Single Player. This will drop a video player widget right onto your site, ready for you to customize. It might look like a generic sample video at first, but don't worry. We're about to swap it with your own content. Next, you'll see an option called Change Video. It might show up as a little pencil icon or a button directly on the player. Go ahead and click that. When you do, Wix will prompt you to enter the YouTube video URL that you want to display. Now's the time to find your chosen video. Open a new browser tab, head over to YouTube, and navigate to the video you want to add. Once you're on that video page, just copy the URL from the top of your browser. If you're not sure, it should look something like youtube.com/watchv=. Now jump back to your Wix editor and paste the URL right into the video player's settings. This links your player directly to your chosen YouTube video, so it's ready to show exactly what you want your visitors to see. Take a breath here. If the link doesn't work on the first try, double-check that you copied the entire URL, no extra spaces or hidden characters. Once the URL is in, you'll probably want to make sure everything looks perfect before publishing. Luckily, Wix makes it easy. Click the preview button. It's usually at the top right or near your editing workspace. This puts your site in preview mode so you can see exactly how the video will look and function for your visitors. Watch the video load up, check that it plays properly, and see how it fits with the rest of your page design. If something looks off, you can easily click back to the editor and adjust the placement or size of the video player. And that's all there is to it. Your YouTube video is now live on your Wix website, helping to bring your content to life. If you need to swap in a new video later, just repeat these simple steps. Thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy website tips. See you in the next one.